Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm preparing for my family baked turkey wings. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. And by the way, we're at 10,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's do it. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.